Model, 2016 Iveco Daily 35S13H1545 with B3000 spares OR repairs very low miles open mouth smile spares OR repairs trader margin open mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 64,880. MOT, 6 July 2024. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AE3481P. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner cambelt will need replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Decent, average condition. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119